I was expecting a bigger turnout, but worst case, we're going to that lot across the street.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Why is he looking like that?
I was shooting mad flames last night.
Really? I was like about to watch your story and then someone was calling me. I was like, damn it. I wanted to see it.
That's all. No, I have not. Yes. Yeah, this is not loud.
Yeah.
It sounds good though.
Oh shit.
For me personally, I don't want lag.
Like, yeah. I'm gonna do that shit tonight. That's okay.
Yes. Shit, I'm ready. I'll get some pictures too.
Are we already starting this, bro?
It's 16 minutes in.
Is it really 16 minutes in? Oh my god, bro.
Dude, that's crazy.
I just wanted to say we 16 minutes in right now. Look at the crowd. I don't fucking know. Apparently everybody knew.
Alan.
What's up? That lot over here.
Tevin is actually bringing his car to the meet. Who is he? He won't wait till he gets down there to do that. He couldn't do that when I was recording his ass. What's up, everyone? We're here at the Road Show meet. It's the third meet. Paul is the birthday boy.
Yes, that's what I heard.
But yeah, third meet. Pretty good turnout. It's an hour in. Already going to the third lot across the street. So, you know, packed out. You out, Matt? Okay. Huh? Okay. Shit. Have a good night.
It looks like the body's pretty straight. The body looks pretty straight.
Yeah. Yeah. What's up, Sonny?